Again, this is Cradles to Crayons. We're 100% nonprofit here. Everything you see has been donated to us either by schools like this wonderful group.
The Cradles to Crayon project here at PALCS is just an opportunity that we try and give the students to give back to the community.
3 years ago, Mrs. Griffel came to us with the idea, 4th grade and 5th grade, that we would take our students to experience this Cradles to Crayons, and it would be a fulfilling experience for students. And they would learn quite a bit, but also get the opportunity to give and help.
We present them with the task to volunteer themselves, to maybe step outside of their comfort zone and work for a nonprofit organization where they can create a donation and help those in need. So this year we took a group of students down into Philadelphia, into Conshohocken, and we worked side by side with them in order to work with the company, hands-on. First, we checked in, we took the donations that the students brought in, we added them into their sorting bins, and then afterwards, the staff at Cradles to Crayons, basically they gave us a big picture.
Philadelphia is consistently ranked either first or second for poorest city in the country. So that's where Cradles to Crayons steps in. We provide essential items for kids from the time they're born to age 12. Things like winter boots, a winter coat, school supplies, arts and crafts supplies, clothing, shoes, books, toys, really anything you could think of that a child needs to thrive, not only inside their classroom, but also just at play being a kid.
And then they put us to work.
So the students were trained on what they should be looking for when it came to quality and also appropriateness for each student, for each child.
So when you're looking at the donations, it's very important to make sure that you're giving out materials or clothes that would make someone feel comfortable, make them feel good. You're just overall looking for things that are close to new, that when a student or a child could wear them, that they could feel happy or comfortable in the clothes that they receive, not something that looks like a donation.
So at the end of it all, they do have autonomy. They have the opportunity to really do their best to help out. You know, and I think ultimately that's one of the things that I really appreciate about that. It teaches them to go and help.
With the students, we had a blast.
So for some, it's an eye-opening experience. I know for all, though, it's a fun experience.
Not only to come together and see our peers and to see your teachers that you're friends with or you've grown acquainted with, but the experience in the whole was awesome.